Hey, welcome to the video training. As you can see on the screen here, I have a simple hydronic heating system. 2 boilers, primary pumps, a secondary pump, and a reverse return system serving some fan coils. This system was created using our Hydronic Wizard, an HVAC solution. I'm just going to take a few minutes here and step through the wizard and show you how to build hydronic heating and cooling systems. I'm going to come here to a new sheet of paper, turn off the grid, then I'm going to come to the hydronic toolbar, and over to the far left is the wizard. We're going to look at the hydronic system wizard. Here I have the opportunity to decide what type of piping distribution I would like. I'm going to select the middle one, which is a reverse return 2-pipe system. Our system usage will do a heating only. This project will have 2 floors, and we'll have the mechanical room down here in the bottom right. Loads on each floor, let's do 6. We'll have the load orientation above. We'll use the same data for all the loads. We'll have a fan coil unit, and we'll select the manufacturer, Williams, and you can see we have different selections here on what kind of Williams product we want to look at. Now we have the opportunity to decide if we want 2-way control valves or 3-way or pumps, and whether we want them on the inlet or coil outlet. So we'll just leave that selected there. Now we can enter the BTU for a fan coil. So let's do 8,000 BTUs, 800 CFM. You can see we have some default temperatures there as well. Head loss design for the fan coil would be 5. We'll do a boiler for the heating system source. And in the example I had 2 boilers, so we'll do 2 boilers and make each one 50% of the load. And then select the Cleaver Brooks Clear Fire boiler. We'll have water, condensate neutralizer we'll have as well. And here we have the pump configuration type in the system. And we'll do the primary, secondary. We even select a hydraulic separator for the crossover there. 1 vertical primary pump, 1 secondary pump, expansion tank, and an air separator. As soon as I hit finish, you'll see the 2-story, 2-floor heating system with 2 boilers, reverse return, primary pumps with the secondary is there in the, my project. Now, a few things you can do to look at the system. Okay, I can drag a box across all my piping and right-click with my mouse, and here under pipe annotations, I can annotate the drawing with any of these items, the diameter, flow temperature, you see the head loss velocity. We'll do diameter here. Okay, now obviously if I come in, you can see we have a 1.25 inch. If I make this fan coil up here, let's just increase that load to 80,000. Okay, now you can see we're 1.5 inches down here, and all the pipe sizes have changed throughout the whole project. Now the beauty about HVAC solution is after you lay out your system to design it, then you can select a product from manufacturers. In other words, with the pink shading under the call out of fan coil or air separator pumps or boilers, I can hit one button, which is this thumbs up button, and I can select all the equipment at one time on the project. You can see if the pink shading went away on that pump, it made a selection. We'll go under selection of a Taco pump. Okay, let's go leave this Taco pump. That selection is there as well. Let's look at a fan coil unit. The selection of the fan coil unit. Williams is selected at medium. So there, very nicely, we selected, let's go up and look at the one we changed to 80,000 BTUs. We selected a larger fan coil unit there as well for that. So very easy to lay out a system answering questions using the Hydronic System Wizard. And then the output, what we get from the software, would be all these coordination file options. I'll save that for the next video, but we can have a bill of materials, control schedule, detailed report, electrical schedule, equipment schedules. We can take and put this project now into AutoCAD or into Revit. We have an add-in with Autodesk Revit where we put our schedules and our schematics inside of Revit as well. So this concludes the demonstration video of the Hydronic System Generation Wizard. Thank you for watching.